Hi everyone, it's Destiny here at Byrider in Green Bay today. I wanted to let you guys know about this nice 2012 Kia Optima that we have, that you guys can come in and maybe we can see about getting you guys into a test drive on this vehicle. It is a very, very nice Kia, shining on the outside and everything. It's a silver in color. It's got some dark and tan interior. So if we go ahead and take a peek on the inside to show you, it also does have the little blinkers on the mirror, so when you turn, your blinker signal is on the mirror. The inside has Bluetooth radio, so you can connect your phone to it, listen to it. You even got this little compartment so you can set your phone in there to charge. Some little dual kind of heat and AC, and then you got your charger ports down there too, and another little compartment you can set your phone also. If you look at the steering wheel, you got the volume control, eco. You can answer the phone from when someone calls you from your radio, just hitting the answer button and the end button too. Cruise control it has on there. So if you guys come down to Byrider in Green Bay at 2805 Ramada Way, give us a call at 920-455-7788. Thank you.